Hey guys, my name is Cody and today we're going to be going through the Hydroblast liquid rocket launcher. So what we're going to do is go through each step of building this thing step by step. So first of all, after getting all of the pieces, what we can do first is we can get each piece here and we can put the tape on it and put it onto the rocket launcher like so. That's what I'm going to be doing now. So guys, I've got the tape here and I've just peeled it off the package here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it and line it up with this right here, this curved side. This curved side is obviously going to be for the bottle. So I'm going to put it on like this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some scissors and cut it off to adjust it. All right, now that I have my scissors here, I'm going to grab them and cut the tape. And then I'll just leave the excess on the side over here. And now I'm just going to do this for all 4 of the pieces. Awesome, so now that I've obtained and stuck the adhesive onto the wing pieces, now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to put them on the actual rocket itself. So first of all, we're going to take off this white plastic here. Awesome, so now that I've taken it off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the image of the rocket itself as a reference and then place the wings like so. So I'm going to just put them around here on this curvature here, and that fits nicely. So now that is firmly stuck onto the wing itself. Perfect. And now I'm just going to do that for the rest of them, evenly putting them around the rocket. And there we go, we've got the second one here, placing it on. Just going to evenly place it around the rocket. Fantastic, so it should just look like this so far. Now what we're going to want to do is leave it here, and we're going to grab this white plug here. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab this nut and bolt here and we're going to fill in one of these holes. So as you can see, I've already done this before, so I'm going to just screw this through here. Now that I have put the bolt through like this, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this nut off again, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the bolt onto this stand here, and now through the middle hole I'm going to put the bolt through and then attach the nut on the other side so it's nice and firmly stuck. That looks pretty good. Make sure that the second hole is parallel so it can fit through the back end. Now you can do it up or down, but I'm choosing to do it down. Now what we're going to want to do is grab this here and attach it to the clear tube as seen here. Attach the blue tube to the clear tube for about 1 centimeter. What we're going to want to do is we're going to grab this blue tube and push it through the back end like so of this second hole here. So that's what I'm going to do now. Now after pushing most of the blue tube through here until it stops at the clear tube, now we have the setup for the rocket itself. Alright, so once finished this, what we would like to do now is show the process of how this would work. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the black cone piece of the pump, and now what we're going to do is we're going to screw it on here. Make sure it's firmly connected. So I'm going to hold this down so it can't be released. Now, just to show as an example, what you would like to do is put this through the clear tube. Ensure that this is full of water up to around the fin mark here that we've set up. And what we're going to do is have that water filled up in here, and then we would push this in like so, upside down. Once firmly connected like so, then you would start pumping, and then you would pump until the rocket would burst off. So that is what we're going to show now. Alright, so I've just came back from filling up the rocket with water, and so for a tip, just fill up the amount of water till it hits this orange line here while filling it up upside down, and that should be equivalent to a perfect amount for where it wouldn't affect the pump here. So you don't want the water to overfill this straw here, because then it will affect how much water is in there and then how strong it is. So this will be the perfect amount of water. And now I'm going to show you a video of me shooting the rocket.